Hi everyone! Hope you're doing well and enjoying Ramadan 2023. Today we're going to make different masalas for this foodie season, like red peppers masala, garam masala and others. So stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe our channel. So these are the basic ingredients which we're gonna be using today. If you like our recipes and videos, then please do subscribe and share our channel with your friends and family. So without wasting the time, let's get started. First of all, take juicer and add 1 kilogram of dried whole red peppers in it to make powder of it. Now let it blend as it gets a powder-like shape. When done, add the other masalas in it like dried coriander seeds, cloves, some black peppers, etc. Red peppers masala is ready. Now take half kilograms of dried coriander seeds and add them into the juicer for blending. Now let it blend and make powder of it. Coriander powder is done as well now. It's time for our third masala, which is Biryani Masala, to be made. For making this general use masala, take the garam masala powder nut and add 1 packet of korma masala mat and 1 packet of biryani masala in it and let it mix. Adding 1 packet of biryani masala in it. Now mix it gradually with soft hands. Now you can see it is getting the desired color. I hope you liked our video. If so, please don't forget to share it with your friends and family. We'll meet in our next video. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.